Today, we're checking out the Delta Ophelia Brushed Gold Kitchen Faucet, also known as the Delta Ophelia Champagne Bronze Pull-Down Kitchen Faucet. It's sleek, modern, and packed with some serious performance features. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. Product features. First, let's talk design. The brushed gold or champagne bronze finish gives this faucet a clean, modern look that instantly upgrades any kitchen, especially if you're going for a high-end or contemporary style. This faucet features a pull-down sprayer with ShieldSpray technology, which creates a powerful stream inside a protective water sphere. The result? It cuts through stubborn, stuck-on messes with up to 90% less splatter than a standard spray, meaning less soaking, less scrubbing, and less mess around your sink. Inside the faucet, Delta uses their patented diamond seal technology, which reduces leak points and is designed to last twice as long as the industry standard. Installation is also flexible. It works with single-hole or three-hole setups thanks to the included optional deck plate, and the gasket seal helps prevent leaks and water damage under the sink. Pros and cons. Pros: elegant brushed gold finish that resists corrosion and wear. Powerful shield spray for faster, cleaner dishwashing. Diamond seal technology for long-lasting, leak-free performance. Flexible installation with deck plate included. Thoroughly tested and certified for durability. Backed by Delta's lifetime limited warranty. Cons: premium design and technology may come at a higher price than basic faucets. Modern styling may not match very traditional or rustic kitchens. Overall review. Overall, the Delta Ophelia Brushed Gold Kitchen Faucet is an excellent choice if you want style, strength, and long-term reliability in one package. It's best for homeowners who want a modern kitchen upgrade, hate dealing with leaks, and appreciate a faucet that performs just as good as it looks. If durability and smart spray performance matter to you, this faucet is definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more honest kitchen upgrades, and check out the product link in the description below to see current pricing and availability. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.